Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 2. Hope everybody enjoyed week 1, where we talked about different process management, kind of what that is, and what kind of system thinking is. I really enjoyed looking at some of your discussion board posts and really seeing kind of how you guys related everything to the beer game, and really trying to understand exactly kind of the stimulation that we had there. In week 2, we're going to build upon what we already know on this. So we're going to actually be reading chapters 4 through 6 of Peter's book. And we're going to also read the article here, which is how to see the unseen consequences of our choices. Many times we have to see exactly what's going on and really try to understand exactly kind of why we don't want to do things. And sometimes that's kind of a harder thing to do at the start of the process and a lot easier to be done at the end. Here's the thought of hindsight's 2020. It's one of those things where we can definitely see where things go wrong whenever we see the results of our actions. But trying to get ahead of those things can definitely be hard. We also have 2 good videos to really talk about. Actually, there's three videos to talk about learning organizations and kind of how we want to build learning centers and learning cultures. And it's one of those things where we definitely want to always be learning and always be getting better because our systems improve and our performance improves as we learn more and become more knowledgeable about what's going on. So let's talk about the assignments this week. We have, one discussion board post, which you guys are going to post a response to this, and I'll respond back to as many as I have time for, and really hopefully get to ask you some questions and really try to drive you a little deeper on that. My whole goal in interacting is really trying to help everybody understand exactly what's going on in the concepts and really try to get people to think a little bit deeper. Welcome you guys asking questions and really going deeper on this as much as possible as well. So that's our discussion board assignment for the week on this. And we also have a quiz at the end of each week. So this quiz is open book, but it will be timed. So definitely use your time wisely and look exactly what's going on in the class and see exactly kind of where things are going. If anybody has any questions about anything we have going on this week or anything else, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. I'm here to make sure that things go well. So you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.